Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are starting the teardown on the yellow JCW. I actually think we're going to be donating some parts over to the black R53 in this time. I have a new supercharger on order, so we'll probably end up using the supercharger from this car if this one is good on that car, and then once the new one comes in, it's been delayed multiple times just from likely the virus and now the protests, so it's taking forever. It's currently like lost, it's gone, but hopefully by the time that all gets sorted out, this car will be ready to be put back together. I do believe my current guess on what the noise this car is making is the timing chain tensioner. I don't know why I struggle, and hopefully that'll fix it. But I do want to go through and make sure everything's put together properly on this car, because you know, as we've seen, they can be very neglected. So just gonna go through starter parts list, whatnot, so that it is in tip-top shape. So I started to undo this bumper, and as I was doing that, I noticed it's dumping oil out all down there. So that's not good. Definitely gonna need to figure that out. Alright, update. It's been like maybe 15 minutes of working on this thing, and the supercharger is about to come out, so that's pretty exciting. I'm getting fast at this. Just gonna disconnect the water pump, then the tensioner, and then I think that we should be good to pull this thing out. So yeah, we're almost there, boys. Almost there. Honestly, look at this coolant. That's disgusting. But yeah, I think we have just about everything undone. I know there's that hose back there that needs to be pulled. This whole thing's gonna go. So yeah, we're almost done. Getting fast.
surfing waves into the night on the beaches of Hawaii. Drinks in Ibiza, anywhere you wanna go, baby, you just let me know. Sunny Indonesia, don't say no. Sipping on tequila, anything you wanna see, be there in a heartbeat.
Oh.
Did it literally just...
Well, I think I found the problem. Well, it just fell out. Oh my god. Well, that might be our problem, folks.
We've got just one life, baby. So live it up, take it one day at a time. Keep it shining like the stars we see above. I wanted to be here by my side. My tropical love.
So now we know, for you, those of you that have watched the black R53 tear down and saw the carnage, this is what broke. And then, so that's what those little things were that kind of popped out that we were looking at. And then on this side, let's see here, it must have been clearly one of these that we sell in pieces. Okay, so now it's ready to be installed onto the black car behind me. Alrighty, it's another day. We are continuing the breakdown of the yellow R53 project, which is very, very exciting. There's a very large oil leak, so I think the goal for today is to kind of sort of figure out where that's coming from, and then see what we need to order, get our parts list going so that we'll be able to fix it. So not much that needs to be torn down anymore. Obviously I pulled the entire supercharger and whatnot off, so that'll all be taken care of. The axles actually look really good. Our motor mount was in pieces. It's disgusting. Yeah, drain the oil out, so hopefully it doesn't leak anymore. Yeah, so now it's time to order our parts.
My tropical love. I wanted to be here by my side. My tropical love. I do my own thing, I do my own thing. I go my own way, don't care what you say. I do my own thing, I do my own thing. I go my own way, don't care what you say. I do my own thing, I do my own
leaked right there. Clearly very brittle. Yikes. So, I'm sure there's more little spots that we can't really see with our eye all that well. So, it's a good thing we're replacing this. So here is the other gasket for the oil cooler. Very flat, not good, no bueno, 10 of 10 would not recommend. I don't know, I think I'm just gonna try getting all this stuff out. I don't even know what this is. Like, is this gasket maker? This is not the spot for gasket maker. Ugh, that's disgusting. Oh, it's a gasket maker. Literally, what the heck? I don't get it. Alrighty, we've spent a lot of time breaking this car down, trying to figure out what the heck is going on with it. Clearly, we found that broken tensioner, which is a huge indicator of what the noise was and clearly the reason why that belt was completely missing. So hopefully that is all the damage that we are going to be finding, and hopefully when we put it back together we don't find anything more significant. I'm hoping that we can figure out the oil leak and get that all sorted and no more leaking oil. Hopefully we can figure that out because I hate oil leaks. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next part of this build coming up very, very soon, which will be the repair. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.